Now, let's begin by massaging the E-phone pressure point, which is located behind the ear. Massage it for 10 seconds to help relax the meridians around the neck. Then, let's start gua sha from the neck. Starting from the E-phone pressure point, follow the neck meridian, moving downward from the neck to the shoulder. Do this 10 times on each side, until you notice redness or small red satellite particles. You can also use the hump part of this tool to repeat the same action. The skin on the leg is relatively thin, and we often neglect its care, making it prone to wrinkles. That's why the neck can be a revealing indicator of a woman's age. Gua sha on the leg can enhance facial blood circulation, combat fatigue, and minimize wrinkles. Making it a regular practice not only boosts your energy, but also helps prevent wrinkles. Now, let's shift to the side for the second meridian. Use the hump pad, and it's a perfect size for this meridian. Repeat this action 10 times on each side, and then do it again 3 to 4 times. Next, you can utilize the longer side to work on other areas of your neck. For the central section, you can also use hump side. Gently repeat this for 10 to 20 times. That's it!